Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between DaVinci Resolve versus Premiere Pro. Which one should you choose? We'll be taking a look at the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end you have solid reasons to choose the service that best suits your needs. We have the links to both services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And starting with the features. Both DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Pro offer comprehensive video editing tools, which include timeline editing, color correction, and audio mixing. DaVinci Resolve integrates editing, advanced color grading, visual effects, and audio post-production within one application. It features AI tools like IntelliScript for timeline creation from scripts and AI Audio Assistant for mixing. Adobe Premiere Pro is known for its robust editing and seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps like After Effects and Photoshop. It includes AI-powered generative extend for audio video, media intelligence for footage search, and automatic caption translation. Now, the pricing is important to follow along with these features so you can get the best of them. You have the free version, of course, on DaVinci Resolve, which has a video editor, color grader, VFX, and audio tools up to 4K resolution. But the DaVinci Resolve Studio, which is recommended, comes at a $295 one-time purchase. And this is a lifetime license with no recurring fees, offering 8K editing, advanced HDR, AI-powered tools, and multi-user collaboration. This is an excellent long-term value. Adobe Premiere Pro, on the other hand, comes with two plans. We have the single plan for Adobe Premiere Pro at $22.99 per month. And you have the Creative Cloud All Apps plan at $69.99 per month. And this includes Premiere Pro plus 20 plus other Adobe apps. And this is best if you need a full creative suite integrated with your Adobe Premiere Pro plan. And so with these features, you have the pros and cons, starting with DaVinci Resolve. On the bright side, you have a powerful professional grade tool for color grading. You also have a highly capable free version and a one-time purchase for a full studio version. On the other hand, with the cons, it has a steep learning curve and it can be resource intensive, and it's less common for broad industry collaboration. Adobe Premiere Pro, on the other hand, with its strengths include an industry standard with broad adoption, seamless integration with Creative Cloud apps, and strong AI features for workflow efficiency. On the cons, you have subscription-based pricing, and it can be overwhelming for beginners, and it requires consistent, powerful hardware. In conclusion, both DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Pro are top-tier video editing solutions. DaVinci Resolve stands out with its exceptional color grading capabilities, a powerful free version, and cost-effective one-time purchase, making it ideal for those prioritizing professional-grade visuals and long-term value. Adobe Premiere Pro, on the other hand, remains an industry standard, perfect for users integrated into the Adobe ecosystem who need robust AI tools and seamless workflow across multiple creative applications despite its subscription model. Don't forget to check out the links to DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Pro in the description so you can make your choice and choose what best suits your needs. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.